Hello friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Korean cheesy corn, also known as corn cheese, one of the most popular Korean banchan or side dishes that you'll find at Korean barbecue restaurants. It's creamy, sweet, savory, and super cheesy, basically comfort food that goes perfectly with smoky grilled meats. This recipe is part of my Korean barbecue at home series where I show you how to make all the delicious side dishes that go with a full Korean barbecue setup. So if you haven't seen my video on how to set up Korean barbecue at home, I'll link it below in the description. Make sure to check that one out next. Korean cheesy corn is one of those dishes that everyone loves. It's rich, creamy, and so easy to make. Traditionally, it's served bubbling hot in a small skillet at Korean barbecue restaurants. It only takes a few minutes to prepare and uses simple ingredients, but once you try it, you'll want to make it all the time. For a full list of ingredients and directions, see the link in the description. Begin by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and oiling a small baking dish. I'm using two 12-ounce casserole dishes that I got from Amazon, and I'll just link them below in the description. Next, remove the husks off some fresh ears of corn, cut the kernels off. I find that using a serrated bread knife is easiest for cutting kernels off an ear of corn. Then add mayonnaise. I'm using avocado mayo, some shredded mozzarella cheese, sugar, and diced green onions. Mix everything together. It should have a thick consistency. Pour the cheese corn into your baking dishes and bake for about 20 minutes until the cheese is melted and everything is hot and bubbly. Then switch your oven to broil and broil the top for about 2 minutes or until it turns golden brown and slightly crispy around the edges. Serve it hot right out of the oven. It's especially delicious alongside grilled meats during Korean barbecue. If you're following my Korean barbecue at home series, this dish is one of several banchan recipes I've shared to help you recreate the full restaurant experience at home. Make sure to check out my other videos in the series like Korean cucumber salad, steamed eggplant, and pickled radish and carrot ribbon salad. I'll link them all in the description below. Enjoy!